I don't. It flies. It flies through the casing. Oh, okay. Yeah. Well, eventually. Hello and welcome back, everyone, to Space Simulation Toolkit. But everything changes today because, as you can see, we have 50 plus 5 elements. Now, some may ask, why wouldn't you just say 60? I don't know, because I didn't make this. This was made by Malice, who isn't malicious, but their name doesn't track because they gave us 60 new elements inside of Space Simulation Toolkit. Huge credit to them, and huge credit to Mr. SST, who added the feature to the game to be able to add reactions and new alcohol. We can put beer in the powder. I mean, the Space Simulation Toolkit. Oh man, said the very wrong thing. Is it flammable? We'll see. All right, let's see if it's flammable. I mean, it should be flammable. Alcohol. There's so many new things. Okay, fire. Oh, it turned the alcohol into water. Fire acts a little bit differently too. There's a lot of new behaviors and materials added in this, I want to call it a mod pack, but it's on the Steam Workshop. Go check it out. Super cool. We're gonna kind of go through this and see what's added. We have atomic explosives. Wow. Oh, they're very angry. We have the sun. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, the sun is a little bit angry. Wow. Well. All right. Let's calm the simulation down just a tiny bit. We have dirt. Seems about right. Alien soil, extremely unstable soil, ice, dense ice, snow, generic plant matter, wood. Oh my goodness, compressed rock. Here we go. Get me some compressed rock. I don't know where the ground is. It's just all going to fall. It's okay, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, it's just rock. This rocks. Oh, there's the ground. Oh, it broke into sand. Okay, so we have rock. Don't worry, everyone. We're going to perform plenty of experiments today. We're gonna learn so much about this mod. All right, let's create I'm gonna create an iron circle for experimentation. Yes, the iron Okay, iron is not strong enough. Not strong enough for my requirements. What else do we have? Plastic. Ooh, kind of curious how plastic acts. Oh, it's a little squishy. It's a little squishy. We got a plastic circle. It's a little squish. Beautiful. I want to make a bowl. I'm gonna make a bowl because I want to experiment with potential reactions. Perfect. Ooh, gasoline. Is gasoline like oil but more angry? We'll see in a moment. Fill this container with all the gasoline. I don't know why there's just particles falling out of the sky and causing problems, but that's okay. All right, fire. All right, can I get it hot enough to burn? There we go. There we go. Now it's burning. Much better. Yay. We have a fire. There's strong explosives, which I don't really know what they do. Oh. Well. Mix that in with the gasoline and it gets very spicy. I want to take the exhaust of these reactions and I want to capture them. I am now a chemist. I am now a chemist. I can just announce it and it's true. All right, so it's gonna go up here and then it's gonna pour into these little side bowls. The chamber has been built. The chamber of chamberness. All right, we're gonna pin this all so it doesn't collapse on itself. Because I'm a professional at this game and I know how not to make things explode and how to make things explode. Yes! All right, here we go. We are now containing the results, which this isn't actually creating anything that survives, by the way. Although we are really funneling a lot of energy through this. Look at all that. Oh, the fire! I did all of that work to build a rocket, and now it may be completely like way easier now because we can do this. This is a very nice reaction we have going on. We got so much stuff coming out. We got water vapor, we got fire. Yeah, that's probably like all of it. It's just different colors based on temperature. I'm gonna say this is Mixy Boy because it's for mixing things. I know, I'm so creative. All right, what are we mixing together now? That's a good question. What reactions do we think probably exist or don't exist? I mean, we got so many fun things. Superheated fire, weak explosives. I kind of want to test these explosives separately. So I'm gonna create like a bunker over here. Let's try the sun, argent energy, cold fire. Okay, so weak explosive, what does this do? Oh, it literally explodes. What? How does that work? And how does it like pull things into itself? Oh, it's the attraction value, I think. And then when it hits something, oh, that's neat. Does that mean I can like just make a huge amount of it and it'll like form these little, oh, okay, so they don't live forever, but like you could potentially do a lot of damage with this because these little like bullets of it. Oh! Whoa! That's weak! That's weak explosives? It wiped out the entire base. Oh goodness. Okay. It did damage over here too. Although it's pinned, so it's like it can't really do much. Talk about weak explosives. What do the strong explosives do? We'll build another bunker here. Oh man, there's little bits of the explosives still going around. Okay, I want to see strong explosives. Oh, wow! They didn't even have to get close. They kind of work how like powdered toy explosives work, like the explosive material where like they touch, they damage. It's not really like a bomb. Each particle is kind of its own bomb. But can we build a true bomb? Self-propellant fluid, what does that mean? Whoa! It's so bouncy. It just slowly gets more and more energetic as it bounces on itself. I feel like you could make an explosive out of that. It can hit like a critical point. We can't just theorize that it could have explosive potential. We have to test. All right, let's create a housing for such an explosive. Okay, that should be small. That's fine. That's fine. Where is my self-propelled fluid? Yeah, it gets so much energy. When there's more, it goes a little bit less crazy, but I feel like it, yeah, look at how it's like undulating. It would be great for mixing a fluid. I'm curious though if I just kind of force more in. I'm gonna turn the particle spacing down and inject it in. That is a lot of energy held inside of this. It flies through the casing. Oh, okay, yeah, well, eventually. It's more of like the collision bug where it just moves so quickly it escapes, limits it from being able to do it. I mean, you must have known I was going to make a video on your mod, Malice. You must have known. There was a 0% chance that you could make something like this without me making a video on it. The quality is oh, I forgot about particle spacing. Okay, whoopsies. My GPU was like, boss, please. Please, boss. What are you having me do here? What are we going to experiment with next? We have so many fluids. We have oil, gasoline, mysterious goop, liquid nitrogen, static? Oh, what? Whoa, what is it doing? That's so cool. What is it? They're tiny and they like, what? It's forming like a field. Look at how they like connect. Oh, that's so neat. What is it doing? I guess static is a good word for it. It's very gloopy. Okay, I'm gonna turn particle spacing down so I can fit. Whoa! What is it doing? Oh, this stuff is so cool. It's like quantum physics. It's so tiny compared to like the normal particles that it behaves by like completely different rules. It's forming like little patterns in there. And it's trapping these like normal sized atoms within like these containment chambers. Wow, YouTube compression is not going to like this. I don't even know if you're gonna be able to see what is going on here. I mean, you can see the effects it's having on the big, oh, it's escaped containment. It's escaped containment. What's it gonna do? Oh, it's so interesting. It really acts like an organism. It's like an amoeba. It likes to stick together, and it's forming like, look, it's creating this like tendril to try to stay together, and it has like organelles. This is literally like an amoeba. That is so cool. I wonder if I can put like other things inside of it. I'm gonna try to get some sand. Yeah, like some particles of sand. That is so cool. It literally forms like a layer around it to contain it. It can eat. It can eat things. And it tries to stay in one piece. That's a One Piece reference right there. But what happens if I open this up and let it say hi to its friend? Will they connect? Oh yeah, look at that. This is so interesting. I don't think this was intended to be like a amoeba simulator, but it really kind of acts like one. I want to see the mysterious goop now. Is this a liquid? It really does act like goop. Like it squishes into itself and then kind of holds its shape. I like how we have this static raining from the sky and it's formed all these tiny amoebas. What? And then when they collide, they like merge into a larger amoeba. I am so perplexed by this material. How did you come up with this? Surely a good day for Space Simulation Toolkit, Chads. We are eating well today. There is so much. We have sludge. Is sludge flammable? Because there's only one way to find out. I guess not. I just can't get over how these are forming like membranes and like, look, this one just sent out a child. Oh, it just exploded! Oh my goodness, what is going on? That superheated magma caused some really interesting stuff to happen. When the static gets hit by a fast-moving particle, it literally just, yeah, tears into a billion pieces. Alien lava. What is alien lava like? Is it just like kind of gloopy? It is kind of gloopy. Okay. Jello. Oh. Oh, it's gelatinous. How could I have expected that? Anti-gravity rock. Well, I probably could have guessed what was going to happen. Dense rock. It is rock. It is dense. It is dense rock. Yeah, I feel like you could spend a very long time learning about all of these materials, but I have a feeling there's going to be so many more material packs coming out soon. Oh, coal. Coal? Oh my goodness. I feel like West Virginians now feel very represented by this material pack. We have coal. All right, what if I build a mountain? It's going to be a happy mountain. We got our generic plant. Right, okay, it's more of a hill than a mountain. And now we're gonna have humans do what they do best and mine into the mountain. And we're also gonna have humans do what humans do best and accidentally set it on fire. And we're gonna see what happens to the mountain. Oh wow, the coal burns very quickly. Wow, okay. I expected it to be like really slow burning. It burns like faster than gasoline. Yeah, the fire and like combustion feels very well balanced on these materials. Like that is very, I want to say, satisfying. It's a very satisfying burn. And I'm curious if I do the same thing except pump like a ton of oil into here. A ton of gasoline actually. Here, I'm gonna plug it. We're gonna see if the mountain can just blow its cap off. Okay, so under the surface, we now have a very large amount of gasoline. See, I feel like it's just the fire doesn't stick around long enough for it to really cause a problem. Okay, I didn't try this like argent energy stuff. What does it do? Whoa, what? What is it doing? It's just tearing through everything. What is it? Wait a moment, what does it do? Wow, it's very angry. Let's try that again over here. So it kind of just stays in its shape, and then when it touches something, it literally just dissolves through. It doesn't like look like it does anything crazy, but everything it touches just dissolves. Interesting. I wonder if anything is like immune to it. Like if I got some metal and dropped some on it. Wow. So it didn't quite destroy the metal, but you can really see how it tore apart the connections. Yeah, you don't want to mess with that stuff. I guess it looks like it vibrates at like a super high frequency. No matter what, it does a lot of damage. A lot of damage. And we have the atomic explosives, which just kind of go through things. They really do act like atomic particles. They can just ignore. There's more to explore, especially when it comes to reactions. Oh wait, there's a clone? No. Oh wait, no, it clones the material. Oh, okay, it copies a new material based off of the one you mean. I thought it was like clone, like if it touches something, it starts spawning it. I was super excited for a second. All right, well guys, this has been super fun. Thank you all for watching. Leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed. We'll do more exploring. You can make your own elements and reactions now, so I expect to see a lot more on the workshop soon. Peace out. It's been fun.